Hey there, Lennar fans. Roberto Lee here at Timber Creek, and we are previewing this inventory home. It's the Sunset floor plan, part of the estate line of homes that you're going to find here at Timber Creek. This home right here is available for you to purchase today. It'll be ready in a few months. The Sunset is a 3+ den home, 2,650 square foot. And this particular home has a beautiful pool and water view. So right here, as we come into the Sunset, you've got this nice open great room with your kitchen here. Right through these double doors, that is your den here. And then over here, we have the laundry space leading out to your garage. So you got a utility sink, you'll get a full-size washer and dryer, plenty of extra cabinets and closets. Then we have the guest bedrooms back here. Guest bedroom number 1. You've got the guest bath sandwiched right in between those. And then the second guest bedroom here, the nice part about this one, this is the pool bath here. So it ties directly into the pool bath, and you get a full shower here, and that takes you right outside to your living spaces. Now, coming right across the kitchen area and the great room area, this is your master bedroom on this side. And the master bedroom here, really nice sized room. And huge closets that you're going to get in both walk-in style closets. I know it's a little dark and hard to see, but trust me, they're walk-in and they're pretty large. Then we've got the master bath here with that's where your toilet would be right there. You've got your dual sinks, and then this huge walk-in shower right there as well. Last but not least, and that's the most special thing on this home, is the outdoor living space. So with the Sunset here, you get this huge slider here. It's opening at the center, which is really nice. And you've got the pool and spa package on this home. And you've got that beautiful view of the lake here. Tons of room on the outdoor living with this particular home. So if you're interested, this home is available right now. You can buy it today. Give us a call at any of the numbers below for Pinnacle Property. We appreciate you watching.